Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a whipped cream and food coloring egg dye. Right here is what you need for this video. Of course you need some hard-boiled eggs. You can check out my video that I just did on easy peeled hard-boiled eggs. And I have these eggs sitting in vinegar right now. That just really makes the color pop. I just got a big thing of vinegar and I used most of it. There's probably about a fourth left. Then you need some whipped cream. I've just got one whole tub and just a little bit out of another tub. That should be fine. Any kind you like, and you want that to be thawed. And then some food coloring, any kind you like. So Taste Tester picked out all these colors for our eggs. Then you're going to need paper towels. Something lined in paper towels. I just have a big cookie sheet. And then something to dye the eggs in. I'm just using a 9x13 baking dish. And then I saw a cute little thing to display your eggs where you cut up paper towel holders like that. And I thought that was so cute. So go ahead and get started. After you boil your eggs and they have cooled, you want to put them in a bowl with vinegar for 20 minutes. The time is almost up for our vinegar eggs, but I just wanted to show you how cool they look in there with the bubbles all over them and they're bouncing around. But I'm going to go ahead and take these out of the bowl and rinse them off and put them on paper towels to dry. While the eggs are drying off, we went ahead and put our whipped cream into our 9x13 baking dish, and Taste Tester is just spreading it out with a spatula before we add the food coloring. After you spread out your whipped cream, you can go ahead and add your food coloring. We just did drops of different colors all over the surface. And then we're going to take some skewers or toothpicks and just go ahead and make figure eights all around until it's blended. But you don't want to blend it too much. Alright, Taste Tester and I are happy with the way our colors are. So next we are going to go grab our eggs and I'll show you what to do next. Alright, take one of your eggs and drop it into your whipped cream, and then you go ahead and swirl it all around. You can use your hands or a spoon. I mean, it's just food coloring, so it will come off. But you want to really lather it on there. And then you just take it over to your cookie sheet lined with paper towels, and you want to put that on there. And we are going to leave those on there for 20 to 30 minutes, and then we're going to wipe them off. All of our eggs have been dyed now, so we are just going to sit these on this paper towel lined cookie sheet for 30 minutes before we use paper towels to wipe them off to see what they look like. Right now they're so pretty. Our eggs have all been cleaned. Some of them I just wiped off with a paper towel, but that is quite messy. So the rest of them I did take over to the sink, so I'm not sure if that made them not as bright, but I think they all turned out so cute. Basically, for the ones in the sink, I just ran them under cold water and then wiped them off with a paper towel. But I'm so happy with the way these turned out. I would definitely be doing this again. Thanks for watching. Happy Easter.